what's driving that shift, and how do you see AI accelerating this transition?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think this is a very important question because when the MDM era existed, the basic driver was compliance, actually. And a lot of companies were trying to create this central source of data repository so they can do whatever they want subsequently in the downstream, which is yet to be defined. And then came CDP with a very specific prepackaged use case built in, which is CX, marketing, personalization, and personalization kind of drove all this. But now we are almost going back to the basic, which is like, hey, with CDPs and then point-based solution, we cannot have too many data platform. We need one data platform, and that requires multiple graph where the knowledge level should be all encompass because these agents and AI, which are now the accelerant for having an AI ready knowledge layer or data layer, is becoming like super critical because we have suddenly built out so many agents, so many use cases, and people are like, wow, this is awesome. The use cases are like, you know, getting you so excited. The businesses started to see the impact in the whole demo. But when you go back and try to see how we implement, you just don't have a backend. You just don't have this one source of truth, which and you have a source of truth. With these, every buzzword has taken, so it's kind of hard to sort of say like you have this source of truth, but it's like limited. What companies are today looking for is a multi-graph, multiple source of identity, intent, interest graph. Like in the world of like CX, marketing, customer intelligence, we have all that data available. Either it is not unified in an entity level, and even if it is unified, there are a lot of like ETL pipelines running, which also doesn't work well for some of these agents. But then more importantly, like the sheer missing, taxonomy across these data silo. So there's no like domain specific or company specific ontology which exists. So I feel all the kind of, complicated engineering kind of required, and suddenly people are embracing this because they want to make their data AI ready. And that's what is exciting, I think. So this is my kind of long, short answer to your question.
Yeah,